Turn these settings off after updating iOS 18.4. If you have just updated to iOS 18.4, you will want to make sure your settings are optimized for privacy, battery life, and performance. In this video, I will show you a few settings you should turn off immediately. Apple's personalized ads use your data to show targeted ads. If you value privacy, turn this off. For that, launch your settings, go to Privacy and Security, Apple Advertising, and toggle off Personalized Ads. Did you know your iPhone tracks your frequently visited locations? If that sounds unnecessary, disable it. For that, launch your settings, go to Privacy and Security, Location Services, then System Services, Significant Locations, and toggle it off. Some apps run in the background, draining battery life. To turn it off, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and select Off or Wi-Fi only to save battery. Fancy animations look nice but slow down older iPhones. To improve performance, go to Settings, Accessibility, Motion, and toggle on Reduce Motion. If you're on a limited data plan or want better battery life, switch 5G to Auto or LTE. For that, go to Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, Voice and Data, and choose LTE or 5G Auto. And that's it. These simple changes will help you get the best experience from iOS 18.4. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS tips.